How to update graphics driver in Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. First, search for Device Manager. After you launch it, different options will appear. Now you'll need to expand this option. Display adapters. Under that, you're gonna find the drivers that you are using for your PC. Select the one that you want to update, double-click on it, select Update Driver. Now click on the option Search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds any updates, it will install them for you. However, sometimes it will say your drivers are already up to date. But you might still get newer versions from the manufacturer's website. So for Nvidia, AMD or Intel cards, it's often better to go directly to their official sites. Just open your browser and search for Nvidia drivers, AMD, Radeon drivers or Intel graphics drivers. Once on the official site, download the right driver for your card. You can also install tools like GeForce Experience for Nvidia or AMD Adrenalin software to make this process even easier. And that's it, your graphics driver is now up to date and your system should be running smoother and more efficiently. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.